Take a look at this image. What do you see? It looks like a photo of a middle-aged man, right? But guess what? This person doesn't exist. This image was created using generative AI. So, what exactly is generative AI? Well, it's a type of machine learning model that can dynamically create new content after being trained. But how is this different from traditional machine learning models? Unlike traditional machine learning models like linear regression or k-means clustering, generative AI can produce complex types of output. For example, it can generate code, music, and images too. Traditional models typically analyze and predict based on input data, while generative AI goes a step further by creating something entirely new. There are different tools for different types of output too. For example, for images there's MidJourney and DALL-E. For generating text as well as code, we've got GPT-4, Gemini, and Llama. LLMs or large language models are a type of model that come under the category of generative AI. They are trained on vast amounts of text data. They're like chatbots that can understand and generate human-like text. These models are evolving quickly too. For example, models like GPT, which could only take text as input earlier, can now accept images as input. That's because it's not only trained on textual data, it's been trained on visual data too. Not just that, GPT-4 can also generate voice output now. And because of that, it is now competing with voice assistants like Siri and Alexa. So where did the inspiration for these models come from? LLMs are a crucial part of natural language processing, or NLP. One of the major motivations for it has been translation models, which involve translating text from one language to another. That's all for this video.